Good afternoon, students. On that day, I have started the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is a mixture of hydrogen and the carbon. It is coming from the IUPAC, and the full form of the IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, which was given in 1958. Fine. This is only a little bit review I am giving to you. Already we have completed these things. If a 1 carbon is present, we are saying is meth. 2 carbon eth, 3 prop, 4 carbon but, 5 pant, 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non, 10 dec. Understood? Then if a single bond is present, we are writing as ane, double bond ene, triple bond ine. Already I have explained these things to you. Okay. Now next is, it is of two types hydrocarbon, saturated and unsaturated. In a saturated form, ane is coming. In a unsaturated form, ene and ine is coming by Ne. So for naming of saturated hydrocarbon, first we are using CH4. Okay. Now, for CH4, you can see it here now. CH4. 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen are taking place. Okay. If 1 carbon is there, it means what it is? It is meth. And single bond is present, it means we can say ANE. So here IUPAC name is methane and common name is also methane. Common name is also methane. This is, we are talking about methane, that is CH4. Understood? Now next we are doing C2H6. Okay, so C2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, C2H6. Now for this C2H6 we can write it like this also, or we can write like this, CH3 single bond CH3. Okay, this is the structural formula. Now methane, ethane means 2 carbon are present, it means we are writing as eth. We are writing as eth. And single bond is present here also, here also. We are writing as ANE, ethane. Okay, here IUPAC name is also ethane and common name is also ethane. If this type of reaction we are using, this is said to be the structure formula and this is said to be the condensed structural formula. Okay, this one said to be the structural formula. Okay, these bonds are present now. Here we are writing H, hydrogen. Okay, so now it should be understood to you that what we are writing on this one bonds. Next is C3H8. C3, methane, ethane, propane. Prop is coming. So first of all we are making 3 carbon. On a 3 carbon we have to put 8 hydrogen. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 we have put it. Now this is the structure formula. Now for this one, if we want to use a condensed formula, we are writing as CH3 CH2 then CH3. Okay, so IUPAC name we can say as propane. Single bond is present, that's why. And common name is also propane. Understood, students? Next one we are writing, that is C4H10. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. C4H10. This is said to be the structure formula. Now I will make a condensed formula. Or we are writing as CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 then CH3. This is said to be the condensed formula. So what is the name of it? Bute. 4 carbon are there, bute. Single bond is present, we are saying ane, so it is butane. Okay, understood? Next take C5H12. C5 means 5 carbons are present. What we are saying? We are saying it is pant. Okay, PENT, not PANT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now condensed one, how we can write for the condensed one? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. You can see here CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is the condensed one. Single bond is present. What we are saying, the name is pentane. Okay, understood? These things you have to write it in your copies. Okay, and then IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature, in this one what they are saying? They are saying the longest chain of carbon in the structure of the compound is found first. Means first of all we have formed the long chain. We have to derive what it is. The longest chain, what is that? So the longest chain we are said to be as parent hydrocarbon. Then alkyl group present in a side chain, like on this one side chain alkyl group is present here, are considered as substituents. They are considered as side one side, they are considered as substituents. The carbon atom of the longest carbon chain are numbered in such a way that the alkyl group get the lowest possible number. Position of alkyl group is indicated by writing the number of carbon atoms to which it is attached. Now, these things is attached with the carbon. When they are attached with the carbon, then only I have given the name. So in this one point, they are saying this thing. IUPAC name of the compound is obtained by writing the position and name of alkyl group. Means what is the position, like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, position. So this beta, this is important one, because now we are going to give the names, a typical structure we are going to do. So for that one, this IUPAC rules are important. Okay, now this one, only one I am doing, rest we will do from tomorrow. Okay, only one. First of all, you see what is this, how many carbons are present. See, if you are seeing on this one side, this is a straight chain, but when you are seeing downside, one branched chain is here. Okay, I am going to make this. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3 carbon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here the hydrogen is takes place, but on this one carbon this thing is takes place. Okay, I am putting here a hydrogen. You can see on this side I am putting the hydrogen. Only one question today I am doing, okay, so that you cannot be confused. Now this formation is said to be the branched chain. Now in a condensed way I am writing, in a condensed way I am writing for this thing. For this thing I am writing here CH3. Here this one I am writing CH. For this one I am writing as CH3. This CH is attached with 1 2 3 CH3. Okay, now one thing I would like to tell you, when this type of branch chains are attached, first of all we have to see that on this one side it is near or from this one side it is near. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. It is coming on the 2 side. 1 2 3. From here also it is coming on the 2 side. It means we can take from anywhere, from the left to right or from right to left. So first of all 3 carbons are present. Methane, ethane, propane. Single bond. It come as first propane. Okay, don't be confused. That's why I am saying this one example only I am giving to you. That one example only is sufficient to do today. Propane. On which one side the branch chain is there, on which number? On a second number. So we write as 2. What it is? Said to be as methyl. Methyl propane. Okay. So how we are writing here? Space is left, space is not there. So we are writing here 2 methyl propane. Okay, now little bit I am going to change in this one structure. I am going to change something, right? Okay, I have changed here. I have put it here carbon. 1 carbon I have put it, and here I have put it a hydrogen. Fine, students. On this one side branch chain is there. Now here CH2, you can see CH3, fine, CH, okay, here it come as CH2, here this side it come as CH3, okay. Now we are doing the numbering. First step is over. Now the second step, numbering. 1 2 3 4. From this side you can see 1 2 3 4. Now in this one we have to see that the branched chain, which one on the near side. So from this one side to this one side, second number is coming. It means from this one side it is near. From left to right. How we are giving the name? Methane, ethane, propane, butane. It is coming as butane because single bond is present. 2-methyl butane. Understood, students? Understood to all? Now, if on this one side CH3, this one chain is here. If I am putting here a double bond, then one hydrogen I have to remove. So what will come here? here it is written CH2, it will come as only CH. And double bond here I have put it. So what formation takes place? The formation takes place 2-methyl butene. 2-methyl butane. This is only a one example, and that example will tell you, this example will show you that how we are doing the numbering and how we will give the name. Fine. Next examples we are doing from the next time. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.